Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to save a diagram in draw.io. First, open the diagram that you want to save and go to Files. You have two options from here. You can either save it, and you can save it in your desired folder. To save it in your desired folder, click on Save As. This will be the name, and this will be the type of file that you will be saving. You can have HTML, SVG, and PNG also, and it will also show you the folder where it will be saved, like my drive, OneDrive, or anywhere that you would like to save. Now you can also save this diagram as a PNG. Go to Files and scroll down until you find the Export As button. You can export it in form of PNG, JPEG, and even PDF. Your diagram is now safely saved and can be reopened or shared anytime. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our next DelftStack tutorial videos.